What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube Photoshop tutorial. I am Louie and I'm going to show you how to combine this image with this video that you can't see. But trust me, it's a video. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to open a new document, and I've already have this one created, and the width is 19 by 1920 pixels by 1080. Resolution is 72, and we're going to hit create. And this is going to make um, this blank document, which is going to fit perfectly with this video that I've created. This is a video that I shot with my drone DJI Spark, and I'm going to take this image. Let me merge these two together real quick. Layers. We're going to take this, and I'm going to go ahead and make this a little smaller because the dimensions of this are much bigger than what the other document is. So I'm going to take this, and I'm just going to bring it over to the document that we made. I'm going to drop that on here, and hit Control T. I will be able to make this a little bit smaller to where it fits within the parameters of the new document. All right, hit OK. So that's that. Now, when you use video in Photoshop, you more than likely have not done that before. So what you want to do is you want to go to Window, click on Window, go almost to the very bottom and click on Timeline. And what this is going to do is it's going to allow you to use the video functions within Photoshop. So if you click Create Video Timeline, it will use these images that we have in our layers over here. Now, what you want to do is click on the image that's on top. If it is not already a smart object, create that into a smart object. Now, if I click on this and change the blend mode to darken, or let's see, screen. Let's see, let's just go ahead and push play to give you an example. So that's what that's going to do. So let's start this all the way back over. And I'm just going to make this a longer video. So you see this little, you take your mouse and you put it to the end of the clip, and you can drag it shorter or longer, however you want to do it. So in this case, I'm just going to push play and see what this does. And this, I'm using a video that I created previously. So that's what that looks like right there. That's pretty cool. But we want to do different things. So I'm going to go ahead and stop that. I'm going to go back to this blend mode and do color dodge. Try linear dodge. I'm just going to try all these different things and just see what they look like. Just play. Right there, it looks pretty cool. It's not terrible. You know, it's not great, but it's a pretty cool little video. So another thing that we can do is put some movement with the image. So what you want to do is click on layer 2, click on transform, and since when we click on transform, the easiest way to describe this in a way is that this is going to record what we're going to do. So once we've clicked that, we're going to take this mouse and click it on here and drag it all the way to the end of the clip that we have. Okay. Now what this is going to do is it's going to basically tell Photoshop this is where we're going to stop this action. So the action that we're going to do is hit, make sure we're on layer 2 or whatever layer you're working on. Hit Command T or Control T on the Windows, And what we're going to do is we're going to make this image larger as the video is playing. All right. And so it's going to be right there. Hit enter. All right. So now if I bring this back, you see how that image gets bigger as the video goes on? So that's what that did. It's pretty simple. And that's pretty much it for that. And that's how you get a video to play with a photo. Now, obviously this video is far too long for what we've got right now. So actually, you know what? I can make this, well, no, I'm not going to do that because I've already got it to where I want it with the, but I could make that video, the photo be as long as the video if I wanted to. I just have to make the photo last that long. So okay. And it has to run a couple times for it to get all the kinks out. If you look at the very bottom, you're gonna see some frames per second, and it's gonna be in red because this is still trying to figure out how to do something. I don't really understand this portion of it, but I know that after you run it a couple of times, it'll start to get smoother playback. I think it's trying to calculate the exact frames per second. And as you see this right here, you see these little lines in between start to go away the more you play it. So you just run that a few times, and after it plays pretty smoothly, then you're pretty much good to go. So hopefully after this go around, these little lines right here will go away. That's going. Yep, now they're all gone. Alright, and I'll play this back one more time. Looks a little choppy. I'm not sure how that's going to look when I save this, but we're going to find out. Then it looks smooth, so I'm not sure. It looks like, see, it's green at the bottom here at 29.97 frames per second. So now that we've got that done, let's see if we can. You can create text in there if you want to. I just wanted to test it out and see if we could. I don't really want to, so we're just going to get out of that. You can do a lot of things with this, but that kind of shows you how that was done. So now to save it, you're going to hit File, Export, and Render Video. And you can call this whatever you want to. I'm just going to call it Houston Face. And document frame rate, I've got it at 30 frames per second. 29.97 is the closest. Actually, no, there is a 30 frames per second, but I'm going to leave it at 29.997. And then here, you have all these different options. I just use YouTube HD 1080p 29.97. Okay. And I don't mess with anything else. And then I hit render. And this part will take a while, but after this is done, then you've pretty much got a little video clip. So you can save that to your phone, to whatever device you want to use to upload it to Instagram or Facebook or Twitter, whatever you want to use, and you should be good to go. So I am going to end the video there. If you have any questions, comments, let me know. Like I said, this isn't the best way or the only way. This is just the way that I do it. And I say that with every video, just to let you guys know that are other ways to do it, but this way works for me. And if you do know of a better way, like I said, let me know. I'll check it out, see if it works better for me. If it doesn't, it doesn't. So you guys have a good one. Until next time, keep shooting, keep having fun, keep creating, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.